First one, you need to use this DMX cable. Connect the controller from the light. Use DMX cable. See, use DMX cable connect. And the light, you should set it to A0001 and confirm and enter. All the lights should set A0001. Check this and press this enter. After connection, and turn on the light, turn on the controller. You can see from this, and choose this scanner. Scanner, press this one, choose this number 1, and lighting. From this is for channel 1 to channel 8. This. You check this page A and page 2. From this you can choose. You can change. This is for channel 1 to 8 for page A. You press this, will be channel 9 to 16. Choose this one, page A. Page A, this is okay. Like this. And for this light, only have is 7 channels. Check the manual. It is 7 channel. And channel 1, press channel 1 is dimmer. Channel 1 is dim. Press the channel 1, and then from this channel 2, 3, 4 mean the color red, green, and blue. Check this. You choose. You can light down. And channel 3 is green color. And channel 4 is blue color. And channel 5 is strip for light strip function. See? Channel 6 is for auto run, for the light auto run. And channel 7 is for the speed.